Welcome back, children. Yes, continue this lesson, that is mental arithmetic. Yes, in the first session we are learning how to add mentally. Yes, so this is the continue of in this lesson. Okay, so here see, so they can be given here. So that first one we already did half of that. First main answer orally. Answer orally. Yes, okay, see, 3 plus 2, 5 plus 2, 8 plus 4, 9 plus 2, 8 plus 2, then 4 plus 3. Yes, now we will add. Yes, see here, 3 plus 2 how much, students? 3 plus 2 are 3 and 2. 3, yes, plus 2, 1, 2, total 5. Yes, 3 plus 2 is 5. Yes, then 5 plus 2 is how much? 5 plus 2 is 5 plus 2. How much? 5 fingers plus 6, 7. So, 5 plus 2 is 7. Next, 8 plus 4 is how much? 8. Okay, so keep in mind 8, this 8. Then remaining how much we will add? 4, no? 4, this 4. Okay, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12. Yes, next 9 plus 2. 9, keep in mind. Yes, so add 2. 9, 10, 11. So here 9 plus 2 is 11. 8 plus 2 is how much? 8. Yes, we'll show here, see. 8 plus 2. So this 2. Okay, 8 plus 2 is how much? 10. So we'll write 10. Then 4 plus 3 is how much? 4. Yes, plus 3. So this 3. 1, 2, 3. 4 plus 3 is 7. Understood this one? Yes, students, remaining are there in this main, so you do yourselves. Yes, so next we are going, that is the second main, that is fill in the blanks to make both sides equal. Fill in the blanks to make both sides equal. Yes, okay, see here 6 plus, so they can given here empty box is equal to 10. 10 plus is equal to 15. 12 is equal to plus 8. Next, 12 is equal to dash plus 6. Yes. So, students, we can understanding, see here, they can be given here empty boxes. We can be fill there equal. We will be show as both the sides. We will be show the equal. 6 plus how much we will add to 6? We can get answer 10. Yes, 6. Okay. So, here 6, we need how much? 10. Okay, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It means we added 4. How much we added here? We added 4 to 6. Answer is how much? For 10. Sorry, answer is 10. So, we write here 4. Yes, okay. So, they can given here 10. So, 10 keep in mind. So, we can get answer how much? 15. 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yes, we add how much now to get answer 15? 5. Yes, next one here, see. Answer is 12. Yes, so 8 and how much we will be add to 8? We can get answer is 12. Okay, so 8 keep in mind. 9, 10, 11, 12. So we add 4 to 8, we can get answer is 12. Yes, next one, that is 12, they can given here same answer. So 6 is there. So we add 6 to how much we add? We can get answer 12. Yes, 6 keep in mind. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yes, so it means 5 plus 1. So answer is 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. 8 plus 4 is 12. Yes, understood now this one? Yes, students, remaining are there in this main. You do yourselves. Yes. So next main we are going, that is answer orally. Yes. Okay. So they can be given here verbal formulas. For verbal form means problems. 1 self has 5 books and another has 4 books. Yes, so total will write here. There are total books in both shelves. Yes, here see students, they can given here one shelf has 5 books, okay, and another one shelf has how many books? 4 books. Yes, we'll add now these two. So one shelf has how many books? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 books one shelf. Another shelf how many has? So another shelf has 4 books. So 1, 2, 3, 4 books. Total we will count now. How many books are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are total 9 books are there in a shelves. Yes, how many books are there? 9 books are there in a shelves. So these all orally will give the answer. Okay. Just I am showing you. Next one, that is second one. Suma collects rupees 5 from her father and 10 from her mother. How much money did Suma collect from her parents? Yes. So Suma has total amount. So her father gave how much rupees they can give here? Her father gave 5 rupees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rupees. Okay. And her mother gave a 10 rupees for her. 5 plus 10. 10 keep in mind. Yes, 10 keep in mind. Total they are given here. What they can? Total money. How much she has. Yes. 10 keep in mind, we'll add 10 to 5. Yes, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Total money with Suma how much? 15 rupees. 15. Yes, understood this one? We add orally these all the problems. Okay. So, next one we see here, they can given here answer orally. So, give the answer orally. Answer quickly. Quickly means here suddenly, fastly we can give the answer. Answer quickly. Yes. Here see. 4 plus 2 is how much? 6. Suddenly you can give the answer. Then 2 plus 3 is how much? 2 plus 3 is how much? 2 plus 3 is 5. Then next 8 plus 4 is 12. Yes. Next 5 plus 6 is 11. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. 4 plus 3 is 7. Yes, students, you are also give the answers quickly. Yes, so like are there in this main? You do yourselves. Okay. Next one, that is add the center number to each of the number outside the circle. Yes. So what they can given here in this main? Yes, see here 5 in the center. Yes, so here 2, here 1, 3, 4, 6. Yes, students, give the answer. So, add the center number to each of the numbers of outside. Yes, see. So, this center number is there, no? So, this number is add to outside numbers. Yes. So, 5 plus 2 is how much? 5 plus 2 is 7. Yes. 5 plus 1 is 5 plus 1 is 6. Yes. Next, 5 plus 3 is 5 plus 3 is 8. 5 plus 4 is 5 plus 4 is 9. Yes. Next, 5 plus 6 is 11. 5 plus 8 is 13. Yes. So, understood, no? So, these all they can be given here. Center one number they can given here. So, we use this number add to each numbers. Understood this one? Yes. So we are going, that is next one. So, is there another one? So, you will be do yourselves. Okay. Yes. Write the next numbers. So, what they can given here, that is the third main. Write the next number. Yes. Okay. See. First one 2, 4, 6. Next one 3, 5, 7. 5, 7, 9, 10, 12, 14, 9, 11, 13. Yes, students, you can see the next number of this number. 2 plus 2 is 4. This 2. So, in between 2 and 4, the difference of 2 and 4 is, how much is difference here? 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. Yes, 2 plus 2 will add 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. Yes, we'll write answer 8. Yes, add 2. So, see the difference of here 3, 5. 3, 4, 5. Yes, so how much difference is there? 4. Yes, 1 difference is there. So, 5, 6, 7. Then next 7 is there. 8, 9. So 9 is the answer. Yes. Okay. Here see 5, 6, 7. Yes. Next 7. 7 is there. 8, 9. Next 9 is there. 10, 11. We'll write 11 here. 2 number is increasing. Yes. Next 10, 11, 12. Okay. Next 12, 13, 14. Next 14 is there. 15, 16. Answer is 16. Okay. Next here 9, 10, 11. 11 is there. 12, 13. 13 is there. 14, 15. 2 numbers is difference. Yes, increasing. Okay, so this main is completed. Next we are going, that is another one main. That is count backward and give the next number. Yes, so this main is count backward and give the next number. Yes, so we'll write first which number? Backward numbers. Yes, first one 8, 6, 4. Next 10, 8, 6. 12, 10, 8. 20, 15, 10, 9, 6, 3. Yes, so they can given here, what they can given here, count the backward and write the next numbers. Yes, so here see we can given here 8 plus 6. How many numbers are difference here? 6, 7, 8. Yes, so 6, 7, 8, 4, 5, 6. 2 numbers is difference is there. Okay, 6, 4 is there. Yes, so we can given here next number 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4. It means 2 we will write here, 3, 4. 2 numbers is difference of here. Yes. Next 10 is there. 10 plus 8 is 2 number difference here. 6 plus 8 is 2 number difference here. 6 means here 4, 5, 6. Yes, we can write answer is for backward directions. Yes, we will be going as 10, 12 minus 10. We can get answer 2. 10 minus 8, answer 2. So 8 minus 6, we can get answer 2. Answer is here 6. Understood? Next 20, 15, 10. So 5 numbers difference is there. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 15 leave that. Next 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yes. So here 15 it comes. So this is, we'll write 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it means 5 I'll write here. 5 numbers is backwards. Okay. So it means that is decreased by. Not it is, these all are decreased. 5 plus 10, 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 5, 15, 15 plus 5, 20. Understood? Here see. So 9 minus 6 is 3. Yes. So here 9 minus 6 is 3. 3 minus 6 is 3. Next here nothing is there means we will, so we can take here 1. If it is I'll take 1 minus 3. We will take how much it get. Our answer is 2, but it's not comes. Yes, so we'll take here 0 minus 3 is how much? 0 minus 3 is 3 only. Yes, if any number will subtract, so or as we add that number, we can get answer is that number itself only. Yes, understood that one? Okay. So next main we are going, that is verbal problems. Yes. Yes. So say whether the following statements are true or false. They can be given here. Yes. So here first one they can write here 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. First one this is correct answer. 3 we will add 2, we can write this is correct answer. So we will tell true or false. Yes. Next one 6 plus 6 is equal to 4. Yes. Tell me students, 6 plus 6 is equal to how much? 12 we can get answer. But here how much is there? 4 is there. So this statement is wrong. Yes. Okay. So next one is this. See. One day Sita ate 3 bananas. How many bananas she ate? 3 bananas in the morning. Morning she ate 3 bananas. And 2 bananas in the evening. So 2 bananas in the evening. Yes. So then Sita ate total 6 bananas in a day. Yes. So see, this answer is correct. 3 plus 2 is how much? 5. No, but here 6 is comes. So we'll tell now this statement is this is wrong. Yes. Okay. Next one. Raju practices a song 3 times in the morning. Raju practice 3 times in the morning, 5 times in the evening. How many times? 5 times in the evening. Total Raju practices so 8 times on that day. 8 times on that day. This statement is true or false? 3 times on the morning section he practiced a song, and 5 times on the evening time he practiced the songs. Totally 8 times he practiced songs in a day. This is correct because 5 plus 3 is how much? 8. So this statement is correct. Yes. Next one. Rama has 5 marbles. So Rama has 5 marbles and Rahim has 4 marbles. How many he has? 4 marbles. So in their pockets, Rama and Rahim together have total 8. See, total 5 plus 4. How much? 5 plus 4 they can given here. Total 10 are their marbles. But this statement is wrong because 5 plus 4 is 9. Yes, but they are right 10. So this statement is wrong. Next, Charan has 5 pens and Chandana has 5 pens of Charan. Chandana has 7 pens. Yes, so here 5 plus 7 is equal to 15 pens altogether. Yes, this statement is correct or wrong? 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. Yes, so answer is 12. But how much they can given here? 15. So this is right or wrong? This statement is wrong. Yes, understood this one? Okay. Next one they can given here, add, that is 7th main, add 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Yes. Then next 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Then next add 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. Yes. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. Yes. Like same way 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Yes. Plus 2. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. Yes. 6 plus, again we'll add 2. 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. Yes, so this is continuation. Next one, 3 plus 3 is equal to, yes, so here 3 plus 3 is 6, plus 3 we add here, 6 plus 3 is 9. Yes, so likewise we will add increasing one numbers. So 3, if it is we are adding 3, so continuously we add 3 in this row. So here 2, continuously 2. So here 1, continuously 1. Understood this one? Okay. So next one they can given here students, that is 8th main add. So 8th main, this is add. 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. Yes, so if any number we add 0 to any number to we add 0, so answer is, we can get answer is that number itself only. Yes, so number itself only. Next 9 plus 0 is equal to 9. Next 8 plus 2 is equal to how much? 10. Next 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. Yes, like we will be add. Yes, you do yourselves. Remaining are there in this main. You do yourselves. Next we are going that one. Say the answer. Orally will say the answer. Yes. Okay. See. So a fruit vendor has 9 mangoes and 8 apples in a basket. Yes. So first I'll write here. Say the answer. First one, a fruit vendor has 9 mangoes and 8 apples in his basket. How many fruits? How many fruits are there? Fruits are there in the basket? Yes. Here see students, a fruit vendor, so it means fruit seller, he has 9 mangoes. How many mangoes? 9 mangoes in the basket. And how many apples are there? 8 apples in the basket. Yes, total of fruits how many are there? Total of fruits. Yes, so we add these two, it means the fruits, total fruits, how many fruits are there in the basket? Yes. So in the fruit basket, how many fruits are there? Yes. So here, so 9 plus, how much we will add here? 9 plus 8. So how much? 17. Yes. Understood? 17 fruits. Total 2 are there? No. So that's why we will mention here fruits. Both we will adding. So here total 17 fruits. So next one, that is second one, Raju has kept 7 books in the school. Bag and school bag and 6 books in the shelf. Yes, so totally how many books are there altogether? Altogether means, so both we will be add. So equal of, total of how many books are there? Raju has kept 7 books where? In the school bag. Yes, in the school bag. And 6 books where? In the 6 books in the shelf. Yes, total how many books are there altogether? So here, so we add these two. Yes, total we will be write down here. 6 plus 7. 13 books are there. Total 13 books are there. Yes. So like this, I'll wrote here, but you will be tell the answer orally. Remaining two are there in this main. Students, you do yourselves. Yes. So this lesson is completed. So I hope you understood this lesson is. So we will see the next lesson tomorrow. Thank you for watching.